Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can turn a sketch to life or turn sketches into realistic image in Canva. Now you can open your Canva, don't forget to sign in, and you can click apps and AI powered. Here you can find sketch to life. So here, sketch to life created by sketch life team. You can turn any scribble into realistic image. Use AI to bring your art to life. So let's start. Let's click use in new design with a whiteboard. Here you can create something. If you mess up, you can clear it and then describe your sketch. Let's start by drawing a simple CPU case right now here. So sorry if my draw is so bad, but you can try it. Maybe you are good in create a sketch. Let's try a red CPU or PC case and click generate, and here we go. This is the PC case from my sketch. So you can try to create one. Maybe you want to bring like a shoes. Let's try it one more time. Sorry, bad. Just simple shoes, right? This. Let's try flying shoes. Don't expect too much. Let's generate the image, and this is weird. Yes, there is a hand with one foot, and this is like shoes, but it's not shoes. Just do it with your own risk. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. See you next video.